Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's edition of the AnthonyMorrison.com weekly blog. So listen, I know that I missed last week's blog and I've been real dedicated to this, and I haven't missed, I think, one other week since I started these, but I know that if you've been watching the weekly blogs, you probably saw that I was getting sick and I just never would slow down, and I actually ended up getting pneumonia. So last week there was just no way I could get on the camera and share anything with you because I was coughing my head off. So I'm glad to say that I'm a lot better this week. Life is a lot better this week. And of course, I'm back here on our weekly blog. And I want to share something with you that I actually saw and thought about just in the last couple of weeks that I really think is important, and I think it can help you with pretty much anything in your life. When you're going through a hard time, and I'm certainly going through some things in my personal life that, and I always try to take what I'm going through and see what I'm learning from it and then share it with you so that I can help you. But when you're going through something hard, it doesn't matter if it's a breakup, a divorce, maybe you lost your job, or you're in some kind of transition stage. If you're at a point where you kind of feel lost, where you wake up and you don't know really how to take the next step forward because you don't really know where that next step is, here's something that I do that I've found, especially over the last couple of weeks, has really helped me. I visualize. So if I'm sitting here and I'm going through something rough, I will get in my car, or I'll just go sit in a room where it's really quiet, and I visualize myself getting through the situation. So I'll sit there, I'll think, I'm really quiet, and I concentrate on seeing myself where I'm at right now, and then I walk myself through the entire process of getting to where I want to be. And I just do that over and over and over, and I'm constantly visualizing getting through this problem or getting over the hump or doing what it is that I want to do. And because of that visualization, I'm driven to go in that direction because I feel like I've already been there. When you're maybe you're trying to get a new job, or you're going through a tough time in your relationship, whatever, and it's a period of time where you're uncomfortable. If you visualize being there and you visualize getting there, when you're actually there, it's not this foreign thing because you've already seen it, you've already felt it, you've already visualized it. And I hear this a lot of times from people. They'll say to me, look, I don't know what to do. I sit down at the computer and I want to write an ad for Google, but I get to step one and I just stop. What my suggestion to you would be is don't write any ads for Google. Sit down and literally just visualize every step of that process, walk through it in your mind, and do that over and over and over again. And I guarantee you, when you go to actually do it, you're going to feel like this is something you've already done before. You're going to be over that fear factor. If you're going through a hard time in your life, a job transition, anything, I really believe that visualizing being where you want to be and all the steps that it takes to get there will tremendously help you succeed and reach your goals, because you're already going to be on the right path because your mind is right. I know that I've been using this for the last couple of weeks. I didn't ever realize that I actually have used this my whole life, but the last couple of weeks have been really tough for me, and I've noticed what I've done to get to where I need to be, which is where I'm at today with a clear mind, and I'm through some of these problems in my life. And I really believe that the key to getting here was my ability to sit down and visualize. So if you haven't tried this, try the exercise. Leave me a comment. I love your feedback. It always gives me new ideas and sparks new kind of things in my mind to share with you on this blog. So if you're watching this blog, and I know thousands of you are every single week, go ahead and leave me a comment, even if it's just to say, hey, this blog helped you, or hey, will you talk about this, or I'm going through this, can you tell me, give me your insight on this situation. I love to share with you. That's why I built this blog. That's why I built this entire site. And I want to encourage every one of you that are watching this to join our live community. We're growing. We're over 4,000 members now. We're going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to help each other. And we're going to continue to really make this site the best site that you can possibly be on to really learn about internet marketing, but also to be motivated and pushed in the right direction to have success in your entire life, whether it be with internet, finances, relationships, whatever. As long as you're thinking right, you're going to be able to get where you want to be. So I appreciate you joining me on the weekly blog. I'm sorry about last week. I'm not going to miss any more weeks. And I look forward to seeing you next week right here on the weekly blog. Have a great week.